Welcome to another installment of our video series. Today we're gonna install the stainless steel exhaust pipes that we've ordered. They came in a few days ago. So we'll start with an unboxing and then we'll actually install the thing.
This was our old exhaust pipe. Now it wasn't terrible, but it wasn't great either. And now with the new engine we decided that it would be a great time to replace it with a stainless steel one. It also arrived just in time because we really wanted to get the engine in and get it started. If it didn't arrive right now, we would have installed the old one again because we want to have this car ready for our wedding in a few days. So it arrived in time and therefore we could install it immediately the way we actually wanted. Where this one already has the advantage is that it's just very nice and shiny.
As you can see, we have pre-fitted the complete exhaust system. It's looking quite great. It's stainless steel, so it will never rust ever again, which is a great relief, of course. So now we're on to installing.
When you are replacing your engine, it is a bit easier to attach the exhaust system when the engine is still out of the van. In our case, we had already built it in when it arrived, therefore we opted to install it with the engine already in the van.
So the only thing that was not included in the exhaust pipe are these. These are the brackets for the silencer. So I guess I'm just gonna clean those and make them pretty again. So as you can see, we have attached the exhaust at 4 places. So there's 2 at each side of the engine. So there's one over here, one over there, and another one here, and then one down here. And for now we have just loosely attached them so we can find the best fit, and then we will screw it all together so it fits nice and tight. So that's the job for now.
Of course, items that should fit out of the box rarely do, so we had to make a few adjustments to make everything work well. So that looks really amazing and very shiny. And with this in place, we can actually start the engine for the very first time since we installed it. And it's not a moment too soon because we'll have our wedding in a few days and we really want to use this van as our wedding car. We realized that the deadline is quite tight, so everything needs to work just at once. Stay tuned for that in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can follow all our updates. Bye!